Hi there. This is Viper 1 from Jungle Survival. We're here to do a review on our fire kit that I made, that I carry in my backpack. So please stand by. So welcome back. Anyway, here's a fire kit that I created, made for myself. You know, there's a lot of fire kits you can make out there yourself and this and that nature, but this is one I have, the one I use. It's obvious. I repainted it to make it look better for the video, but I reuse it over and over again. It works. It works for me. So let's get to it. Yeah. First off, these are three cans of the chunky chicken in a can, and all I did was paint them. I didn't paint the inside. Two I used for product inside, and I got product in this one also too. That's what I have. But let's take it apart. I use electrical tape. Okay, where's the beginning here? Use electrical tape. You should always carry electrical tape inside your go bag, your EDC, your everyday carry, what have not, your hunting bag. Always have tape. Gotta have tape. Tape, Velcro, wire. Anyway, you take it off. It's like the old Chinese food they used to have. I can't remember what the name was, but anyway, here we go. Open it up, and you got 3 levels of the can. So let me get a zoom on here. Oops. There we go. I got these canisters in here, which is one of my secrets that I use. It works awesome. I've got 9 briquettes inside here, 9 to 10 briquettes. I can put one in the middle. I used one inside here. Rolled it up. My briquettes in the plastic bag so they don't get wet. You don't want wet briquettes. This is all briquettes, all the way around, one in the middle. Okay, and I've got my kindling. My kindling stuff. We'll be doing a video on the kindling itself. What I have. And this is like I said, it's for my bug out bag, EDC bag. Put these in here like this. A lot of people are going to be saying, why don't you have a striker, this, that nature? Well, I would, but as you can tell, there's really no room in here. The way to do that is to add another can. You can add more briquettes, what have not, as an addition to that. So just put it on top side like that. Get your tape, retape it, or you need to reuse. Grab your in your backpack, electrical tape, redo it, rewrap it, like so. This the other way. Oh, sorry, my bad. Take these off again. Works better if you do it this way. This goes this way. There we go. And tape it. reposition things around. Move the lighter to the other side. It alters, it varies. So yeah, just kind of, you know, taping it down real good. That's what counts. Keeping the backpack. I just put one strip. Go, put that on top of there. Like so. Around. There we go. My fire kit. Anyway, if you like the video, like and subscribe, make a comment. You know what? It's doable. Stick in your backpack. You can use one. You can use one to. I didn't show you, but one I used to put in. Well, hold on. Let's do that right now. Let's do that. Let's redo this all over again. Take it off. Trying to rush to get all these videos in. The sun goes down. Okay. Let's do this again. Here, we've got the charcoal, and we got 2 lighters, and that. We got to mix on it. Kindling. And some more briquettes. What I would do is, this is the one I burn all the time. It's all burned up. So I go right there. But these things, they fold away relatively really easy. There you go. Got two cookers, 2 burners, all in one. They could put it still back in the bag if you wanted to. That's being possible. Okay, let's do one at a time. 1 and 2. There you go. In your backpack. Apology for the jumpy video, but I got 4 other videos I want to make, and there we go. That's our fire kit. We got our 3 containers. Make out of chicken cans, chunky chicken cans, like tuna. Clean them out real good. One's for burning, firing. And be advised, you might want to do some research on that. But anyway, that being said, or you can use the burner. Put the burner, get your own pan, whatever pan arrangements you have for it, and do your cooking. There you go. Like and subscribe, make a comment. Out.